What we do in today's class, we put in some backing. We planed everything down so we can put up the drywall. Put up some what is this, California studs. What you say? No class tomorrow? Say no class tomorrow? Okay.
I'm waiting for the season.
Okay.
Is it good?
So we did a little class tomorrow. Sweet. We got California Kings because we're about to put in a room. Each room is like a 4x4 room. As you can see, we started down here. We put the lines down. So we had to put a California King on that side, another on this side, so the wall joins like over there. I'll walk over there in a few minutes, show you what it's supposed to look like. That's the day class, like I was saying. So basically that, then we put the rafters up, the backing, make sure all the sides are planed down so when we put the drywall on Thursday, it'll be good to go. We'll go ahead and see how they side look. Basically like this, that's what we're gonna do. This is day class. Framing up everything with the aluminum stud. Putting in drywall. Even the electrical. Oh yeah, they're doing the whole nine. I'll be doing stuff to my house in no time. The electrical boxes up. Run the wires, plumbing. All right. Until Thursday.